Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you copy somebody else's strategy or performances to improve your Bitget community post. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to go into your Bitget application, and after going in there you will get to see this dotted icon into the top left corner. Just simply tap there, and after tapping into there you just simply have to choose your profile. And now after choosing the profile, you will get this option of community directly in here. Simply select the community option, and in this section you will get to see a lot of profiles. You just simply have to choose the profile which is performing really well into the community. His post might have been going viral and his comments or things like that. And after opening the profile, you will get this option of performance in the bottom middle. Just simply select performance option, and after that you will get this option of ROI and P&L. Now you can check ROI, P&L, net profit and many more options in this section. Now you can copy this by tapping into copy button, and you can easily copy this strategy into your community. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.